In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on accessibility and convenience. Scroll again to click on simple mode. And hit enter simple mode to activate it. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, hit settings again. Tap on simple mode. And hit exit in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!